Hello guys, welcome to my channel The Science World. Guys, in today's video we'll solve some of the important questions from the science textbook of class 10th prepared by me. So without wasting the time, let's start it. The substances which used to measure the strength of acid and base is options are universal indicator, natural indicator, synthetic indicator and man-made indicator. The answer is A, universal indicator. The acid present in N sting options are acetic acid, citric acid, methanoic acid, lactic acid. The correct answer is option C, methanoic acid. The nature of metal oxide is options are acidic, basic, neutral, none of this. The correct answer is basic in nature. The metals of low reactivity series elements are found in which states in the nature? Options are sulfide and hydroxide ore, option B sulfide and phosphate ore, option C sulfide and oxide ore, option D carbonate and sulfide ore. The correct answer is sulfide and oxide ore, option C. Fifth question, what is the role of hydrochloric acid in stomach? Options are option A, it creates basic medium, option B, it creates acidic medium, option C, it digests fat, option D, it digests protein. The correct answer is option B, it creates acidic medium. Seventh question, why the blood arteries walls need to be thickened? Options are option A, because artery walls are thin, option B, because artery walls are very elastic, option C, because the blood under high pressure, option D, none of this. The correct answer is option C, because the blood under high pressure. Question number 8, the part of our body which controls the sudden actions is options are option A brain, option B neuron, option C midbrain, option D reflex arc. The correct answer is option D reflex arc. Question number 9, phototropism in plants, the response towards options A chemical, option B water, option C light, option D earth. The correct answer is option C light. Question number 10, what is the SI unit of electric charge? Options are option A ampere, option B coulomb, option C volt, option D ohm. The correct answer is option B coulomb. Question number 11, when the resistors R1, R2 and R3 are connected in parallel in an electric circuit having values of 2 ohm, 4 ohm and 8 ohm, what is the total resistance in the circuit? Options are 2.4 ampere, option B 1.15 ampere, option C 1.21 ampere and option D 1.14 ampere. The correct answer is option D 1.14 ampere. Let me show this numerical in the notebook. This is the 11th question with the resistors value R1 2 ohm, R2 4 ohm and R3 8 ohm. So we have to find the total resistance. Okay, we have to find the total resistance and we know the formula of total resistance formula, that is 1 by R P equals to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. So let's put the values here as R1 as 2 plus R2 as 4 ohm and the R3 as 8 ohm. So we have to find the LCM of 2, 4 and 8. So we'll get 8 as an LCM here. Okay, so let's see, we'll put the LCM as 8 here and we'll see the number in the table 2, that is 4 plus 2 and 8 1, so it will be total becomes 7 by 8 and that is resistors in parallel, so 1 will be here for the reciprocal purpose, that is 8 by 7 1 0.14, that is resistors in parallel equals to 1.14 ohm. Next, the question number 12, the strength of magnetic field is determined by option A by its strongness, option B by its size, option D by the closeness of the field lines, and option D by passing current. The correct option is option C by the closeness of the field lines. Question number 13. The magnetic field inside the solenoid is. Options are option A less at the center and more at the corners, option B more at the center and less at the corners, option C same at all the point inside solenoid, and option D depends on size of solenoid. The correct answer is option C same at all the point inside the solenoid. Question number 14. Expand CFCs. Options are option A carbon fluorocarbons, option B chlorofluorocarbons, option C carbon trichloride, option D chlorofused carbons. The correct answer is option B chlorofluorocarbons. Question number 15. The versatile nature of carbon is. Options are option A catenation and trivalency, option B calcination and tetravalency, option C catenation and tetravalency, option D chlorophilic and isomerism. The correct answer is option C catenation and tetravalency. Question number 16. The molecule of soap is. Options are option A sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid, option B sodium or calcium salt of carboxylic acid, option C magnesium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid, option D sodium or magnesium salt of carboxylic acid. The correct answer is option A sodium or potassium salt of carboxylic acid. Question number 18. The limitations of Newland's law of octaves are. Option A octaves was only applicable up to calcium. Only 56 elements are exist in the nature. Option B octaves was only applicable up to calcium. Only 58 elements exist in nature. Option C octaves was only applicable up to potassium. Only 56 elements are exist in the nature. Option D none of this. The correct answer is option A octaves was only applicable up to calcium. Only 56 elements are exist in the nature. Question number 19. The embryo is formed in which part of flower? Options are option A ovary, option B oval, option C style, option D pollen tube. The correct answer is option B oval. Question number 20. Urethra forms an common passage for. Option A blood and urine, option B sperm and blood, option C sperm and urine, option D water and sperm. The correct answer is option C sperm and urine.